All right, Chris, let's get over to the experts. Chief Meteorologist Chris Wright here. This has been a wild weather day, as you guys have been on TV for several hours. It looks like those main impacts right now are what we're seeing in Johnson County, but it is spread out across other parts as well, right?
Yeah, kind of unusual for us to see those large hailstones here in central Indiana. We typically don't get that with our severe weather season, but we saw quite a bit of that for today. We still have a couple of scattered showers and storms going on live Guardian radar. Nothing going on back to our west, but still some scattered showers going on from up in Jay County. More rainfall south of Richmond. Rush County getting in some rainfall. That one particular thunderstorm cell that was the last one under the tornado warning down in Jennings County, that storm has moved farther south, so no severe weather going on across central Indiana right now. And a lot of counties over the western part of the state have already been dropped from the watch area. Hamilton, Marion County are no longer under that watch area. Johnson County is still under the watch that goes until 8 o'clock this evening, as is most of east central Indiana and the southeastern corner of the state. It's been a very active day of weather for us here across central Indiana, and Chris McEnany now has more.
Yeah, so now we're talking about the cleanup and everything that's gone on before. It's going to be a lot to clean up from, because look at this swath of storm reports from just the past several areas. Numerous hail reports, so that's been a very, very large part of the story for today. And these storms started off in our northern counties, so Boone County, Clinton County, Hamilton County, Tipton. We've seen reports in this area 2.5 inches or above, so some up to softball-sized hail, and reports of damage to trees. We had a lot of activity going through Marion County. We did not have any tornadoes in Marion County. We only had one warning on the very southeastern corner of the county, but what we saw today were the tornado reports coming out of what was initially Johnson County, and then that tornado warned storm moved over Shelby County, Rush County, and on into Union County. We've shown you video from that storm already, and another cell off to our south also produced a tornado warned storm, actually several, and this one here just to the north of Greenwood Lake. This one was also on a confirmed tornado warning at the time. So that's what we've been watching, a whole lot we've been dealing with so far this afternoon. Fortunately, Chris, things have been really winding down, but that hail is very unusual to see here in central Indiana of that size.
Yeah, typically here in central Indiana, we get a lot of pea and marble sized hail. Quarter size hail is pretty large for us, and we get that quite often with our rounds of severe weather. What's uncommon for us is ping pong and golf ball sized hail. We saw some of that today, but we saw some hailstones today that were so large that they're actually rare for us here in central Indiana. When you start talking about hen size eggs, tennis ball, and even baseball sized hail, that's very rare for us here in central Indiana. We typically just don't see that. Right now, we've got a mix of clouds and sunshine. It's a calm after the storm has moved on through the city. We saw the high make it up to 89 today after a morning low at 71. Right now, we've got sunshine. We're at 81 degrees. We did pick up 1/1600ths of rain, but there were some parts of the state today that saw rainfall rates coming down an inch or two per hour. So some folks actually saw some flooding due to the heavy downpours that we saw across the state this afternoon. Right now we're at 81 with a south wind at 18 miles per hour, and the humidity is at 54%. Check out the current temperatures, a wide range in the temperatures. Rain keeping things cooler in Shelbyville where the temperature 77, also 77 in Bloomington. We're at 81 here in the city, 81 in Kokomo, but the temperature back up to 90 in Lafayette. The cold front moved on through there early, the warm front moved through there earlier today, and now things are heating up once again. Dew point temperatures, drier air in Lafayette. The rest of us are still in that soupy kind of air. Dew point temperature 71 in Muncie, so very uncomfortable out there. Higher levels of humidity. Showers and storms in the forecast for this evening across Indiana. We'll see those winding down, and for tomorrow, we'll start the day with a mix of clouds and sunshine. We'll see a few spotty showers popping up late tomorrow afternoon, but nothing like the rounds of severe weather we saw across central Indiana for today. Heading into our Tuesday, we'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine, a slight chance for isolated showers coming up on Tuesday, and then after that we'll get to a nice dry stretch of weather. In the forecast for tonight, storms moving out, skies will clear down to a low at 60, a strong southwest wind 10 to 20 miles per hour. For the day tomorrow, we'll see the high temperature near 80 with a few spotty showers in the afternoon. It is going to be a less humid day of weather coming up tomorrow afternoon. In the 7-day forecast, tomorrow's high temperature at 80, drying things out on Tuesday with a high at 78. Then we start another warm-up. We'll have sunshine coming up on Wednesday with a high at 85. Thursday and Friday, scattered showers and storms are in the forecast. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we'll see high temperatures near 90 with that daily chance of scattered showers and storms with a high temperature of 86 degrees coming up on Sunday.